In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video to Brevo emails. Adding a video to your email campaigns is a great way to grab attention and increase engagement. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to do it using the Brevo email editor, and I'll explain what each option does so you know how to get the look and behavior you want. First, open the email you want to edit inside the Brevo editor. Once the editor loads, focus on the left-hand side of the screen. This is your blocks panel. It contains all the different content elements you can add to your email, such as text, images, buttons, and of course, video. Scroll through this panel until you find the video block. It's usually clearly labeled and may have a small video icon. When you've located it, click and hold the video block, then drag it into your email layout. Drop it exactly where you want the video to appear, whether that's near the top of your message as a main highlight or further down as supporting content. Take a moment to adjust its position so it fits naturally with your text and other elements. Once the video block is in place, click directly on it in your email preview. This will open the video settings in the left panel. Here, you'll see a field labeled something like Video URL. This is where you paste the link to your video. It could be hosted on a video platform or another supported source. Make sure you copy the full URL and paste it into that field. As soon as you paste the URL, the editor will automatically load a preview of your video inside the email. This lets you immediately see how it will look to your recipients. Now, you can fine-tune the video block using the rest of the options in the left panel. You can add a tooltip, which is a short piece of text that appears when someone hovers over the video. You can change the thumbnail image if you don't want to use the default one pulled from the video source. You can choose whether to show or hide the play button. And if you do show it, you can usually select a play button style that matches your brand. You'll also find settings for layout and spacing. Use these to control how much padding surrounds the video and how it aligns with nearby elements. Scroll through all available settings and adjust them until the video looks clean, clear, and well integrated into your design. When you're happy with everything, save your changes and you're ready to send a more engaging email with video content included.